Sir, exercise 2.2 and question number
Exercise
2.2 or 3.
2 or 3 એવું બધું ન ચાલે. 2.3 કે 2.4 બેમાંથી એક બોલ ફટાફટ.
Sir, 2.4.
We are in exercise 2.4 and we are in question number. We did this. Just check out the reviews. No, we haven't yet reached over here. Let us check here. We have completed up till 2.3 question number, I think so, 4. Question number 4 we did.
Sir.
We did this one. Yes or no? Which one is greater? Which one is smaller? Yesterday. Now we are in question number 5. Exercise 2.3, question number 5. Muhammad Fazil, please read the question. You and me are the alone active people in the group. Rest of them are coming here to sleep. No one is going to answer. No one is going to read the things. So I will also not bother about the things, whether they are present or not. In mathematics, they are going to be marked as absent. Don't worry. All of them, even yesterday's lecture, all of them were absent in my class. ઓકે ભલે એ લોકો અહીંયા એક્ટિવ હોય એ લોકોને જે કરવું હોય કરે ઇવન આઈ ડોન્ટ કેર એઝ અ ક્લાસ ટીચર નાઉ ઓકે ચલો મોહમ્મદ ફઝીલ પ્લીઝ રીડ ધ ક્વેશ્ચન હું તને સમજાવી દઈશ એટલે હું માનીશ કે મારી ક્લાસને સમજાવાઈ ગયું ચલો મોહમ્મદ ફઝીલ પ્લીઝ
Silly plants
સાયલી પ્લાન્ટ્સ
four saplings in a row in her garden.
વેરી ગુડ
The distance between two. So what is this?
એડજેસન્ટ એટલે બાજુ બાજુમાં
Adjacent
sapling is 3.4 meter
4 meter.
sorry
Find the
3 upon 4 meter sorry not 3.4 3 upon 4 meter
3 upon 4 meter. Find the distance below the first and the last.
Yes, between the first and the last sapling.
First and the last sapling.
For example, there are 4 different saplings to be planted out, right? 1,
Yeah.
2, 3, and 4. And what they are saying, every sapling has between the distance of 3 upon 4 meter. બરાબર શું કહેવા
Yes.
માંગે છે હરેકના વચમાં ગેપ કેટલો છે
3 upon 4 meter.
So they are asking that from the first to the last, what will be the total distance between this first and the last? So you have to multiply distance કેટલી વાર છે 1, 2 and 3 times. So you have to multiply this with 3. સમજાય છે કે નહીં?
Yes.
Okay, let us check the answers. Have to write this. See the saplings are drawn here. First sapling, second sapling, third sapling, fourth sapling. So gap 1, gap 2, gap 3. There are 3 gaps in between here. 1, 2 and 3. And
Yes.
each gap covers 3 upon 4 meter. Can you see the diagram which is drawn in the text?
Yes, sir.
Now, total saplings to be planted is 4 and total gap is 3. First and the last, my total gap કેટલો છે between first and the last 3. Are you getting? Length of one gap is 3 upon 4 meter. Length of one gap is 3 upon 4 meter. Therefore, distance between 1 and 4 sapling is 3 into 3 upon 4, which gives us 3 3s are 9 upon 4. Now 9 and 4 cannot divide by each other, but that is improper fraction. So we have to convert that into mixed fraction. 4 2s are 8. Minus 9 minus 8 will be 1. So you will be getting 2 integer 1 upon 4 as your answer. Anybody has any doubt with this?
No, sir. No doubt. No question.
No doubt, no questions, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. Let us move to the next question. Chalo. Question number 6. Who will read this question?
Saya Zohar Abbas.
કેમ ઝોહર અબ્બાસ હવે જાગ્યો?
Yes.
Read the question.
Deepika reads a book for one integer 3 upon 4 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book?
What is this? What is she telling? What is this problem sum belongs to? That Lipika read. She is reading, right? She reads a book for one integer 3 upon 4 hours. We don't know exactly how many hours, but hours are given in mixed fractions. Are you getting? She reads the entire book for in 6 days. એટલે 6 દિવસમાં એ book read કરી. So can I multiply this with 6? Because they are asking how many hours in all required to her to read the book. એટલે એને book complete કરવામાં total કલાક કેટલી દેવી પડી? That is what they are asking, right? So can I multiply this by 6? So how to write this? Number of hours Lipika read the book per day is one integer 3 upon 4. Now this has to be converted to simple fraction. 4 will be multiplied with 1 and added to numerator upon denominator as it is. So 4 ones are 4 plus 3, 7 upon 4 hours. Can I say 7 upon 4 hours is here? Number
Yes.
of hours Lipika reads the book per day is 7 upon 4 hours. એટલે એક દિવસમાં આટલી કલાકનું રીડિંગ તો કરે જ છે, right? Now number of days she took to complete her book was 6. It is written over here in the question, right? Total number of hours required by her to read the book is 7 upon 4 multiplied by 6, which gives us 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So 7 3s are 21 upon 2. Now 21 upon 2 is a proper fraction. Is it proper fraction?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Very idiotic class, seriously. 2 માર્કની ટેસ્ટમાંથી 21 માર્ક લાવી શકે ને? 21 માંથી 2 નથી આવતા. 2 માર્કની ટેસ્ટમાંથી 21 માર્ક લાવી શકતું હે? ઓય છોકરા, તને પૂછું છું.
It is a
No, it is not a proper fraction.
It is improper fraction. So 21 will be divided by 2. So you will get 10 integer 1 upon 2 hours. Total hours she took is 10 and a half hour. 10.5 કલાક લીધી. કેટલી લીધી? Total book read complete કરવા. Any doubt, boys?
no, sir.
Okay, chalo. Question number 7. Question number 7. Who will read this?
Saya Zohar Abbas.
Yes, beta, read.
A car runs 16 kilometers using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will cover using 2 integers 3 upon 4 liter of petrol?
Okay. So what they are asking કે 1 લિટર પેટ્રોલમાં કેટલા કિલોમીટર ગાડી ચાલે છે?
In kilometer.
How much? In 1 liter of petrol, what is the total kilometer that the car is running?
Sir, 16 kilometers.
16 kilometer. So 1 liter petrol માં 16 kilometers છે. We have to use total, we are using 2 integer 3/4 liters of petrol. So what will be the total distance it will be covering? So we have to multiply this by 16. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
Okay. So first step is to write down and convert this into simple fraction. Okay. Chalo, first thing we will write this. Number of kilometers a car can run per liter of petrol is 16 kilometer. Yes. Then quantity of petrol. Quantity of petrol, what do we have? 2 integer 3/4 liter. So this has to be converted into simple fraction, which we got as 11/4. How you got 11/4? 4 will be multiplied with an integer and added to numerator upon denominator as it is. So 4 2s are 8 plus 3, 11/4. Now check out 11 and 4. Are we having any common table that can be divide each other? No. So 11/4 liter as it is. Any doubt here, boys?
No, sir, no doubt.
Now number of kilometers a car can run 11/4 liter of petrol multiply by 1 liter માં કેટલું ચાલતી હતી ગાડી? 16 kilometers, right? So multiply by 16, you will be getting 44 kilometers. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. So 11 multiplied by 4, we will get 44 kilometers. Therefore, it will cover 44 kilometer of distance by using 2 integer 3/4 liter of petrol. Any doubt here, boys?
No, sir.
समझाई गया बच्चा पार्टी? Answer?
Yes, sir, something.
Very good. चलो. Question number 8. Sorry. Chalo, provide the number in the box such that 2/3 is given here. Multiply by what number in numerator and denominator that we will get 10 and we will get 30 here. The 3 will be multiplied by what number to get 30?
10, sir.
And 2 will be multiplied by what number to get 10?
5.
5, sir.
So what will be the answer in the box?
5/10.
Very good. Now second, the simplest form of the number obtained in the box. A box માં જે number obtain કર્યો એનો simplest form શું આવશે? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So in second box, second blanks, your answer will be 1/2. What will be your answer?
1/2.
1/2.
ચલો એવી જ રીતે second blank નો તમે મને answer આપો. Provide the number in the box such that 3/5 has to reach up to, by multiplying them, has to reach to 24/75. What will be the answer? Three, how many is 24, and 5, how many is 75? If you can't
Three
find,
8s are 24.
very good. 3 8s are 24. Okay. Upon, again I am telling, if you can't find that, what you have to do, you have to divide this 75 divided by 5. 75 ને 5 સાથે ડિવાઇડ કરવાનું. જેમ 30 ને 3 સાથે કરો તો શું આવ્યું? 10. 10 ને 2 સાથે ડિવાઇડ કરો તો શું આવ્યું? 5. 24 ને 3 સાથે ડિવાઇડ કરો તો શું આવ્યું? 8. In the same case, if you divide 75 by 5, you will get 15. You will get 15 as your answer. So what is your appropriate fraction what you got to multiply 8 upon 15? Any doubt here? Now, the simplest form of the number obtained in this box is dash. What will be the simplest form of this 8 upon 15? Who will tell me? कैसे कोई मने? 5 upon 10 we got 1 upon 2, right? By cutting to each other. Now you have to check here. Is it possible to cut with each other?
No, sir, it is not possible.
It is not possible. Now check out whether it is a proper fraction or improper fraction. 15 mark ની ટેસ્ટ માંથી 8 marks આવે?
Yes, sir, it is
So
proper.
if it is not cutting with each other, the fraction itself is a simplest form. Understood, boys? समझ
Yes.
पड़ी गई? શું કર્યું સરે? Check here. The number itself is the simplest form of the given number. Okay. હું તમને 2 minutes નો time આપું છું. If you want, you can have a picture for this problem sums. For 5 problem sums 5, 6, 7 and 8. If you want, you can have a picture. Okay? 8 the blank, say you can solve it by your own. And third is to solve the sum. So you can solve that by your own. Question number 5 and 6, 7. You can have a photograph if you want. Answer number? Answer number 5. Have a screenshot, boys. Tell me once it is done.
Sir, done.
Done, beta? Okay. Question number?
Done.
Question number 6. Okay, beta, okay. Question number 6. ले लियो जल्दी answer. Lipikas. Along with the question, it will cover.
Sir, done.
Done? Okay, beta. Question number 7 ले लियो. Done, bachcha party?
Yes, sir.
So we are shifting to exercise 2.4, question number 1. Chalo. Find. Now what we have to do in our last exercise, what we were doing was multiplication. Yes or no? હવે આમાં શું કરવાનું છે? Division. Now 12 divided by 3 upon 4. I will show you this sum, one sum. You have to understand. Can I write 12 upon 1? આના પછીનો સ્ટેપ કરું છું. પેલો સ્ટેપ આ છે, બરાબર? Question itself. Then 12 ની નીચે 1 લખી.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes.
Okay. So 12 ની નીચે હું 1 લખી શકું છું. In the same way, 3 ની નીચે 4 લખી શકું છું. As it is written and division sign as it is. Now divide of a fraction. Both of them are fraction now. જો અહીંયા fraction નહોતું. But if there is nothing, it is automatic 1 in denominator. Can you see what sir has done here?
Yes, sir.
In this, you have to write reciprocal. What you have to write? What we have
Reciprocal.
to do? Yes, reciprocal. We have to do reciprocal. Okay? Now, while doing reciprocal, what we have to do here? Muhammad Fazil, Zohair Abbas. This division sign will convert to multiplication sign. And this 3 upon 4 will be converted to 4 upon 3. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
You have to check out the cross cut. Numerator, denominator, cross ma kai cut thai che. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. 1 ones are 1. Denominator ma 1 as rese. Are you getting? 4 fours are 16. So 16 upon 4 is said to be 16 only. લખો તોય ચાલે ને નો લખો તોય ચાલે. Yes or no?
Yes.
So what
Yes,
is our
sir.
first answer we got?
16.
16. So will you be able to do this rest of the sums?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
you,
sir.
yes, now you check out which one you feel that it's tough for you. I will solve that sum for you. Out of this. Come on, boys. First sum I did. Now which sum you all would like me to do this sum in the class? Last कराऊं last? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Shall I solve the last sum or you will solve by your own?
Sir, we solved by one.
What about other children? Let me solve this. 5 will be as it is and I can take in denominator as 1 and this mixed fraction
sir,
will be
you
converted to mixed fraction is converted to simple fraction. So 7 will be multiplied by 3 and then added to 4. So 5 upon 1 as it is, divide by 7 3s are 21 plus 4, 25 upon 7. Any doubt here? Now reciprocal, 5 upon 1 will be as it is. This division sign will convert to multiplication, so it will be 7 upon 25. Is that clear? 5 ones are 5, 5
sir.
fives are 25. So 7 ones are 7. Wait. 7 ones are 7 and 5 ones are 5. Now 7 upon 5. 5 marks ની test માંથી 7 marks આવે કોઈ દિવસ?
No, sir.
ના આવે, right? So what we have to do here? Who will tell me what we have to do here?
Reciprocal.
Reciprocal M. વાહ ભાઈ વાહ.
Sir,
This
expression.
is our answer. So therefore, at the end you have to write, therefore 5. What is the question given? Therefore 5 divide by, આ જ રીતે લખવાનો question. 3 integer 4 upon 7 gives us 1 integer 2 upon 5. At the end, conclusion should be there, compulsory. Is that clear, boys? Question number 1.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, question number 2. Question number 2. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Classify the reciprocal as proper fraction, improper fraction, and the whole numbers. We have to classify the fractions. Every fractions we have to reciprocal them. I'll show you one, you will be able to do by your own. 3 upon 7, what is the reciprocal of 3 upon 7? 3 upon 7 is the question here. The reciprocal of 3 upon 7 is 7 upon 3. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now this one is mixed fraction, a proper fraction or improper? Which fraction is this?
Improper.
A proper fraction હતું એમાંથી improper થઈ ગયું. Are you getting? While doing a reciprocal. Same way 5 upon 8. 5 upon 8 was proper fraction and 5 upon 8 to reciprocal શું થશે? Who will tell me?
8 upon.
Sorry? What will be the reciprocal of 5 upon 8? Reciprocal of 5 upon 8. 3 upon 7 નું reciprocal શું હતું? Nonsense, boys. Seriously. 3 upon 7 નું reciprocal શું હતું?
7 upon 3.
7 upon 3, sir.
7 upon 3. And 5 upon 8 નું reciprocal?
8 upon 5.
Now, hello?
Yes, sir.
5 upon 8, 8 upon 5 is proper fraction or improper fraction?
Improper fraction.
Improper fraction. Very good, bacha. Improper fraction. 9 upon 7. So 9 upon 7 નું reciprocal શું થશે? 7 upon 9. And 7 upon 9 is what fraction?
Proper.
Proper. Very good. આટલું તો easy છે, કોઈ મને બરાડા પડાવત બોલો તમે લોકો. 6 upon 5. ચલો. 6 upon 5 નું શું થશે reciprocal?
5 upon 6.
5 upon 6.
5 upon 6. And 5 upon 6 will be what fraction?
Proper.
Proper. Very good. 12 upon 7 નું reciprocal?
7 upon
7 upon 12.
7 upon 12. And that is?
Proper fraction.
Proper.
Very
Proper.
good. આમાં આપણે describe કરવાનું છે. Reciprocal કરીને describe કરવાનું છે. Whether a fraction is proper, improper or whole number. Now 1 upon 8 will be reciprocal as?
8 upon 1.
So 8 upon 1. 8 upon 1. 8
Whole
upon
number.
1 is whole number. 8 upon 1. 1 has no value in denominator. So it will be number itself. It will be converted to whole number. Very good. Who gave me this answer? Whole number walo?
Sir, Janani Aman.
Dhanani Amman, you are absolutely correct, beta. Very good. Keep it up. 1 upon 8 will be converted to 8 upon 1, which gives us 8 as whole number. Is it clear, boys?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
we
sir.
have completed up to question number 2. Exercise 2.4, question number 2 we did in the class. Your homework is to cover all the sums one time in your rough book. And your fair book, it has to be compulsorily prepared and it has to be maintained up to the mark, up to the day what we studied in the class. Is that clear, boys?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, do take care of yourself, take care of your health very well. Enjoy your next 3 lectures ahead. And please be active enough in the class, all of you. I'm requesting to all the students, those who are present in the class, be active enough and answer to all the teachers, those who are asking the questions. તમે છો તો ટીચર છીએ, તમે નથી તો ટીચર કાંઈ નથી. Let me clear you. If you all are active, then teacher will be improvised to teach you new things if they want. Let me clear you the best thing. કે તમે તમારી સાઈડથી એક્ટિવનેસ દેખાડશો તો ટીચરને ભણાવવાની મજા આવશે. એ સારી સારી એક્ટિવિટી સાથે તમને ભણાવી શકશે. They are trying to give their 100%. They will overcome more than that also. But તમે તે એક્ટિવ નહીં હોય તો એ લોકો કઈ નહીં કરી શકે. Not even me, not even any teacher in this class. Is that clear, boys? Be active enough in the class and enjoy your next 3 lectures ahead. Thank you so much for attending this first lecture. Have a nice time, boys. Bye bye. Khuda Hafiz.
Hi, sir.
Khuda Hafiz.
Bye, sir.